Hello my cutie pies, buckle up and let's start our session. Today we sing a song of alphabet with their sound. A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for doll, doll. E for egg, egg. F for fish, fish. G for gorilla, gorilla. H for hat, hat. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for joker, joker. Very nice. Now I am going to tell you a story related to alphabet J. Jack jumps with joy. This is a boy. His name is Jack. Jack is a clever boy. He is wearing a blue jacket. He goes to the market in a green jeep. His mother Jenny makes jam and jelly. Jack sells the jars of jam and jelly. He has a jug of fruit juice to drink. One day, John the Don and his two friends were very hungry. One of them said, "Boss, हमें बहुत भूख लगी है. हम क्या खाएंगे? जल्दी से कुछ खिलाओ." In the meanwhile, they saw Jack's shop. John the Don comes to Jack's shop and buys all the jars. Jack is very happy and jumps with joy. It's time for worksheet solution. In the worksheet, you had to join the dots with crayon to make a jug and color it. I have shown water in the jug, so I have colored it blue. I know you have also colored it nicely. So bye everyone. Keep practicing and enjoy your day. See you.